Welcome to this explainer. Look, there is a massive shift happening right now in the digital space, and today we're getting right to the bottom of it. We're going to look at exactly why thousands of creators, entrepreneurs, and small business owners are jumping ship and leaving Squarespace every single month. And more importantly, we're going to figure out precisely which platform you should be moving to instead based on your specific needs. Let's get into it.
Okay, let's kick things off with a tough question. And hey, be totally honest with yourself here. Did you originally come to Squarespace for those incredibly elegant, beautiful templates, but somehow ended up stuck with sky-high monthly bills and zero native business automations? If you're nodding your head right now, you are definitely not alone. You see, Squarespace promised elegance, but for a lot of folks, it delivered a platform that functions way more like a pretty digital portfolio than an actual lead-generating business engine. $78. That staggering number is what a quote-unquote basic $33 a month Squarespace setup actually ends up costing you every single month. Why? Well, because the moment you need to run a real functioning business, you're forced to add on third-party tools. You have to bolt on an external email marketing tool like ConvertKit for $25, and then you got to add Zapier for another $20 just to get everything to actually talk to each other. Suddenly, your sleek, simple website builder turns into this really expensive patchwork Frankenstein. So here's our roadmap for today. 1. The Squarespace trap. 2. The all-in-one winner. 3. Best for specific needs. 4. The real cost comparison. And 5. The migration playbook. All right, moving into section 1, the Squarespace trap.
You know, there is this invisible speed trap that is literally draining your bottom line. Squarespace pages, they crawl at an average of 3.6 seconds. And this is largely due to all that bloated JavaScript and unnecessary tracking scripts that load on every single page. Now compare that with System.io at 1.8 seconds, or Card at under a single second. Why does this matter so much? Because 50% of users will just abandon a page if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. So practically speaking, Squarespace is actively hurting your Google rankings and causing your hard-earned visitors to bounce.
The crucial takeaway here is that a fast platform isn't just a vanity metric for web developers, right? It directly translates to massive leaps in your sales and conversions. Just listen to what course creator James T. experienced. He made the switch, his load time dropped from 3.8 to 1.5 seconds, and boom, his conversions went up by 40%. He had the exact same copy, the exact same offer. That speed difference alone completely pays for the switch. Let's move on to section 2, the all-in-one winner.
Now, the contrast here in both price and simplicity is pretty wild. Think about that Squarespace stack at $78 a month. It literally requires duct taping a website builder, an external email provider, and Zapier together just to function. Honestly, it's fragile. But on the flip side, you have the System.io stock at a flat $27 a month. That includes your website, unlimited email sends, a built-in CRM, sales funnels, and automations, all natively. You aren't playing software Frankenstein anymore. It's just a totally transparent, flat rate.
And you know, the real-world results absolutely back this up. Real business owners like Maria are finding that escaping that Squarespace stack doesn't just save hundreds of dollars a year, it actually delivers a vastly superior integrated CRM and email experience. She saved $276 and got a system that actually works straight out of the box.
Next up, section 3, best for specific needs. Now, I know not everyone fits into the exact same box, so let's break down some tailored options based on your business model. If your portfolio is your livelihood and you absolutely need pixel-perfect design freedom without all that bloated code, Webflow is hands down your winner. If you're running a serious e-commerce operation with more than 50 products, Shopify is built entirely around selling at scale. If you just need a budget-friendly, lightning-fast one-pager, Card is incredible for that. And if you're looking for total data ownership and maximum SEO power, combining WordPress with Elementor is kind of the ultimate escape route. But what if you're a course creator? Listen, if you're currently trying to smash Squarespace and Teachable together, Podia is the ultimate choice. It is built specifically to simplify course creation, digital product delivery, and membership communities into one beautifully clean platform. It takes all the friction out of selling your knowledge. Or maybe you're running a SaaS company or sinking money into paid ad campaigns where literally every single click counts. That is where heavy hitters like Unbounce and Lead Pages come in. They offer the real-time split testing and conversion optimization that Squarespace entirely ignores. These platforms are engineered specifically for high-converting landing pages and relentless lead capture.
Let's dive into section 4, the real cost comparison. When we zoom out and analyze the annual data, it becomes incredibly clear that switching platforms has a massive financial impact. I mean, for a simple brand portfolio, sticking with Squarespace costs you about $396 a year. Switching to Card, just $19 a year.
For a digital business, the Squarespace stack runs over $1,100 compared to System.io at just $324. And if you're a marketing agency managing, say, 5 clients, you're saving over $3,500 a year. The math totally speaks for itself. Which brings us to Section 5, the migration playbook. Look, I get it. The idea of migrating sounds terrifying, right? But it absolutely doesn't have to be overwhelming if you follow a precise 3-week plan. Week 1. Audit everything first using a tool like Screaming Frog so you can systematically map out all your URLs. Week 2 is all about building out your new pages and copying your content over to the new platform. And finally, Week 3, you implement your redirects, you go live, and you closely monitor your Google Search Console for any crawl errors. Okay, let me pause right here because this next part is a massive, absolutely non-negotiable technical detail. 301 redirects. You must never go live without this step. 301 redirects are the key to migrating your site without completely destroying the Google rankings you've worked so hard to build. If you do this right, mapping every single old URL to the new one, you preserve 90 to 95% of your ranking authority, and you prevent those disastrous 404 dead ends. All right, let's wrap up this explainer and bring it all together. Here are your core takeaways. First, Squarespace is really a website builder pretending to be a full business platform. Second, the Squarespace tax is incredibly real, bringing in hidden costs for external automations and CRMs. Third, System.io absolutely wins as the best all-in-one alternative for capturing leads and actually selling. Fourth, niche platforms like Shopify, Webflow, and Card easily outclass Squarespace in their specific categories. And finally, executing a proper migration with 301 redirects is what protects your SEO. The bottom line, staying on Squarespace means you're actively choosing template aesthetics over vital business functionality. So, I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought to chew on the next time you're staring down your monthly software bill. Are you paying for pretty templates, or are you paying for actual business performance? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and I'll catch you next time.